Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to archive Reels on Instagram in 2022. Now there's two different ways you can go about it, and not a lot of people know about this, but you can actually delete Reels and still be able to archive them. So as you can see, if we go to Reel here, what we can do is we can go to three dots, right? And right now what we can do is we can either remove it from profile grid, that will remove the reel from profile grid, or we can click delete. So let's click delete, and after we click delete, you will see that we can actually go to the settings here, and we can go to your activity, and then we can go to recently deleted. And here, as you can see, there will be 30 days that we can have this reel here, right? So as you can see, once you can see these videos, they will be permanently deleted after a number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them. So this is basically how to archive reels on Instagram. And then, you have 30 days here, right? And if in 30 days you're not, recovering this, then you won't be able to recover it at all, right? Now we can click on it again, and we can go to three dots here, and we can go restore, and that will restore this reel. We can click restore, and as you can see, we can view on profile, and that will restore the reel, right? So, and as you can see, if we go here again, and if we go to three dots, and if we go to delete, you can see here that this this display will pop out, and it will say you can restore this video from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So just so you know, this is the only way how to archive reels on Instagram in 2022. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video.